Okay, class. Hi, good morning, everybody. Okay, I hope you are well. Okay, so today is your first lesson for mathematics, Form 3. Okay, it's very good. You already go to Form 3. And I hope you have a lot of good thing in your Form 2. Okay, so now you are in Form 3, which is a very important phase in your life so that you can know which stream you want to go after you finish your Form 3. Okay, so you need to take it serious in Form 3. Okay, no more playing. Okay, just take it serious and attend the class. Okay. Okay, so today I want to introduce myself. This is my first year in this school. Okay, before this, I I teach in different school. Okay, so my name is Siti Nadira binti Mak Fauzi. You can call me Cikgu Nadira. Okay, Cikgu Nadira. Okay, or you can call Teacher Nadira. Which is suitable for you and comfortable as long as you comfortable. Okay, so I'm from Malacca. Okay, I'm staying in PJ and I'm married now. And I have 5 years teaching experience in mathematics. Okay, for my qualification is Bachelor in Science with Education. I major in mathematics. I'm from University Malaya. Uh, I graduate in 2014. Okay, this is a little bit about myself. Okay, so I'm also as your class teacher. Okay, okay, this one I will skip. Okay, this one no need to stand because I don't want to take a long time. Okay, this one I just want to uh, you to think about mathematics. Okay, as you know, you already learn about mathematics from standard one, even from kindergarten until now. What do you think about mathematics? Can you respond it in the chat? Okay, I want to see in your chat. What do you think about mathematics? Is it hard? Is it fun? Is it interesting? What do you think about it? One word only. Okay, someone can respond in the chat. Oh, Sabine say hard. Okay, someone? Other people, please respond. Okay, this one, yeah, challenging. Hard, Ayesha, Irene, yes. Okay, and one more response, please. Okay, this one, no need, just put in the chat. Okay, on in the chat. Okay, challenging. Kausalia, Tiara Wulan say susah nak faham. Okay, everyone here say it's a negative word actually. Hard, challenging, susah nak faham. It's all the negative perspective to mathematics. So first of all, when you want to learn about something new, something that you don't know, first thing you need to change your perspective to mathematics. You need to think mathematics is fun, mathematics is interesting, so that you you will you will feel easy. You will feel easy to learn about it. Okay. Uh, if your mind say it's hard, it will become hard. If your mind say it's easy, it will become easy, even though it is hard. Okay. I try to help you all uh, to excellent in mathematics. Okay. Okay, I try my hard. Okay, so that you also need to try your hard to excel in mathematics. Okay, okay. This one I always tell my student about what is my commitment. Okay, my as a teacher commitment to you as a student. Okay, firstly, I will try to reply all the messages that you send to me. Okay, even though it's late. Okay, sometimes it take time to me to reply. Okay, secondly, I will provide you enough learning material for this subject. Okay, such as note, exercise, question, any resources. Okay. Okay, next I will help you to answer any problem. Okay, I will help you. Okay, calculation, something you don't understand that you might have. Okay, but you need to try first before asking how to do it. Okay, you need to try. Okay, I don't like the student when come to ask me a question without trying it. Okay, because there is no point to ask without trying. Okay, so this one is your commitment to me. It's not a commitment to me, it's actually it's to yourself. Okay, now you are from three, you need to be mature, you need to be you need to realize that study is very important. Okay, firstly, you will attend and join to every class. Okay, this one around 11 people, I think 13 people that attend this class is very good. Okay, I don't know where's the others. Okay, and then secondly, you need to focus and participate in the class. Okay, thirdly, you need to do homework or exercise. Okay, this one. Do homework or exercises in math. This very important about the exercises. There's no point if you just learn, you just see the teacher to teach without doing exercise. This one I'm very strict. Okay, about doing your homework. You need to do your homework and exercises. This one I will be very strict. Okay, I say many times. I will be very strict this one. Okay, and also the focus and participate in the class. The tips that you need to know is very important to excel in your study is focus in the class. Yes, always need to focus in the class because in the class the teacher will tell you that the important things, the key words, and all the important things that you can use it, okay, for your exam, okay, for your understanding also. Okay, next, the last one is respect your teachers. Okay, any subject, okay, you need to respect your teachers. This one is the basic one. It's from your kindergarten until now, you need to respect your teachers. Okay, okay, sorry, terkeluar pula. Okay, okay, wait Okay, next. This one I want to introduce you the chapters in mathematics for Form 3. This one we have 9 chapters. It's a lot. But it's okay. We try one by one. It's actually simple. Okay. Chapter 1 is indices. Chapter 2 is standard form. Chapter 3 is consumer mathematics about saving, investment, credit and debt. Chapter 4 is scale drawing. Chapter 5 is trigonometric ratio. Chapter 6 is angle and tangent of circle. Chapter 7, length and elevation. Chapter 8, loci into dimension. And chapter 9 is straight lines. Okay, this one we will go through in your form 3, okay? We try to go through in and then you will get excellent result for your form 3, okay? Inshallah. Okay, lesson 1. For this lesson 1, I will teach you about chapter 1. It's about the indices. Okay. This one you need to remember. Okay, my name, Cikgu Nadira. And class, I'm your class teacher. Okay? Mesti kena ingat. Okay. And then this one is a subtopic for chapter 1. Only two subtopic is very simple. Okay, subtopic 1 is 1.1 is index notation. Okay, so for today, I will teach you about the index notation first. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so before that, before I go further, you need to have two mathematics writing book. Okay, math writing book. You have it. Okay, the school book, writing book that has the picture of the school logo. Math writing book, you need to have two, math 1 and math 2. Make sure this book that one square. Yang petak-petak tu yang kotak-kotak tu. And then write down your name, write down your class, and also write down this book is math 1 and math 2 book. Okay, we will use these two books. Okay, any question before we start? Yes, you can drop the chat on me. No need to open your mic. Any question? Hey, do you have a writing book or not? Already bought it or not? No? Dah. Okay. Yang lain? You already buy your book? Tiara, belum lagi. Okay, so make sure you have it when you come to school, okay? Noted later on you buy, then finish belum. Saya pun belum. So make sure yang belum, make sure you buy two mathematic writing book, okay? For now, if you want to do the exercise, you do in the paper. Later you can stick it in the book. Okay. Okay, class. This one the introduction for index notation. Okay. Can you see what is the picture? Can you tell me what is it? The picture. Can you recognize it? Okay, put in the chat. What is the picture? No response? Yes, good. Ayesha, is this one the SD card? Okay, you always use it. Okay, you put your picture here. Okay, this one is a SD card. Okay, and you see this one, the SD card. We have you focus on the capacity of the SD card. This one is 2 GB. This one is 4 GB, and then 16 GB, 64 GB, and 128 GB. Okay, we have 2, 4. Okay, actually, saya tertinggal about the 8 GB. Okay, I forgot to put 8, 16, 64, and 128. Okay, 128. Okay, can anybody see the pattern of this number? What is the pattern of this number, Shaiful? 2, 4, 8, 16, 64, 128. What is the pattern of this number? Times 2, times 2. Okay, good, Lydia. Lydia say times 2. Okay, it's like this. Okay, I show you the pattern. This one, 2 to the power of 1. And this one, 2 to the power of 2. And this one 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 4. You try to press your calculator. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. And while 2 to the power of 5, is it 2 to the power of 5 is 64. And 2 to the power of 6. Like this. Okay, so this pattern for the SD card, if you can see, there's no such thing. The SD card capacity is 7 gigabyte or 17 gigabyte, 13 gigabyte. No, that's all only 2, 4, 8, 16, 64, 128. Okay, the pattern is 2 to the power of something. Okay, because why they do like this? Because to so that it can compatible with the other devices such as computer, laptop, camera, and other things. Okay, because of the microchip is do like that. It's times two, times two, times two like that. Okay. So this one is called the index notation. When one number to the power of one more number. Okay, we call this one is the index notation. This one we call as the base. This one we call as the index. Okay, the big number, this one is a base. The small number on top is we call the index. You need to know about this one. Okay, okay. So, like 2 to the power of 3. Okay, this one 2 is a, we call as a base. And 3, this one we call as the index. Okay. Uh, okay, let's see if I choose this number 5 to the power of 7. Okay, which one is this? Which one is index? Can someone put the answer in the chat? Which one is which one is base? Which one is index? Yes, good, Paul. Pausa Alia. Saya pun tak tahu how to pronounce. Sorry, my bad. Okay, 5 is a base, 7 is index. Very good, Lydia. Okay, like this. Okay, so you need to know this one. The big number is a base, the small number on top is called index. Very simple. Okay, you can write down in your paper so that you can remember it. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, what is the meaning of 5 to the power of 3? What is the meaning if negative 3 to the power of 4 and so on? Okay, 5 to the power of 3 means 5 times 5 and times 5. Okay, it's a repeated multiplication. To the power of 3 means it's 5 multiplication, repeated multiplication, 5 times. Okay, okay, this one index means 1, 2, 3. The repeated multiplication like this. Okay? And then negative 3 to the power of 4. That means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 and times negative 3. Okay? We need to turn negative 3 4 times. Okay? Because it's to the power of 4. Okay, this one is very basic thing. Actually, you already learn it when you are in Form 1, if I'm not mistaken. Okay? Okay, this one. What is the answer? 0.3 to the power of 6. Can somebody put your answer? 0.3 is a base, 6 is an index. Okay, 0.3 to the power of 6. What is the meaning? Yeah. Equal to 0.3 times 0.3 times 0.3 times 0.3, 6 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more, 0.3. Okay, good, Lydia. Okay, and next question. Next number is 1 over 4 to the power of 2. So you just write down even if the fraction is still the same, 1 over 4 times 1 over 4. Okay, like this. Okay, how about n to the power of 8? What is the answer? Can somebody to put the answer in the chat? N to the power of 8. Yes, good. Kelvin. Okay, n times n until 8 times. Okay. So many units. Kena rajin to write down lah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So you already know what is the meaning of the index. Okay. Index notation. Okay, this one is by versa. Okay, this one 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. You can write down also. This one all the same, right? Okay, so we can write down like this 6 to the power of 4 because we got 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 to the power of 4. Okay, so next. Okay, negative 4. Negative 4 is the same. We can write down one time only. Okay, and then have 2 here, negative 4. So to the power of 2. Okay, next. This is for 0.2. What is the answer? Please write down in the chat. Yes, good. Dia 0.2 to the power of 3 because this 0.2 got 3 times. Okay, 0.2 to the power of 3. Okay, you need to just to make sure 0.2, this one the number is must be the same, so we just write down it one time only. Okay. Okay, next is n. This one, what is the answer? N to the power of 6. Okay, very good. Pandai. Okay, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's 6, right? And then n to the power of 6. Pandai. Okay, very good. Any question for this part? Is it okay for you? Okay. All right. Thank you for the response. Okay. Okay, now we want to learn about how to convert a number into the index form. Okay, the question will give you one number. This one is 64. Okay, you need to change into an index form. Index form base of 2, base of 4, and also base of 8. So how we do it this one? Okay, so we have 64. The number is 64. So firstly, you do this one. Okay, and then do this. Okay, this method like this. Okay, and then we put 64 inside. Okay, we do this one by one. We do base 2. We change 64 to base 2 first. Okay, this one base 4 and base 8 we put at the side. Okay, we change to base 2. 2 base 2 we put outside like this. Okay, and then what you need to do is 64 divide by 2. 64 divided by 2. What is the answer? You have a calculator beside you. 64 divided by 2 is 32. So 32, you put it down here. 32 here. And then you continue. 32 divided by 2 some more. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Okay? And then you do it some more. Okay? 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then do it one more time. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Macam ni. Okay, until you get 1, you stop. Okay, you need to do until you get 1. Okay, and then you want to have a base 2. So 2 must be a big number. Okay, to the power of what? How to determine the power of what? So you count this one. How many you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6. So that means 2 to the power of 6. So the answer is 2 to the power of 6. Okay. Now we already covered 64 to the base 2. Okay. And this is the method to do it, to convert a number into an index form. Okay. Is it okay? Yeah. Okay, next we go. Okay, kalau cikgu lanjut sangat, please tell me, okay? This one, base 2 already do. We do a base 4. Okay, we do a same method there. Okay, draw a line like this. Yeah. And then we have 64. Okay, 64 put inside. And then base what? Base 4. 4 put outside. And then you divide. 64 divided by 4 is 16. And then divide by 4 again until you get number 1, then you stop, okay? 16 divided by 4 is 4. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, now you already get number 1, so just stop. Okay, so base 4. So 4 must be a big number, and then to the power of what? What you need to do is you count how many 4 here. 1, 2, 3. So there is 3. So 4 to the power of 3 is 64. So this is the answer. You can check whether it's true or not, whether it's correct or not. You try to check with your calculator. You press 4 and then press to the power of 3. Then you will get 64. It's a different answer, then you need to check your method. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, base 2 done. Base 4 done. Now we do base 8. Okay, now you can try to do base 8 by yourself. Take a paper, try to do it. Okay, the same method. Okay, you can put the answer in the chat room. Share your answer in the chat room. Okay, Lydia say 8 to the power of 2. Yes, good, Calvin. Okay, we try to check whether correct or not. Okay, so 64 is inside. Now base 8. 8 is outside like this. Okay, so you divide it. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Okay, so 8 divided by 8 is 1. So until it's 1, you get 1, so you stop. So 8 is a base. Is to the power of 2. Okay, because it has 2 8 here. Okay, you need to count how many 8 over there. That one is the answer for the index. Okay? Okay, faham tak? Can you understand? Okay, good. Okay, you can write down in the paper. If you've got book, write down inside your book. Okay, as your notes. Put nicely, put the the title, okay, the date today, okay, because now it's not in the class, I cannot see you, okay. Otherwise, uh, I will check your one by one your book, okay. Mm. So now example two, we try more challenging question. Okay, write 32 over 3,125 in index form using base of 2 over 5. Macam mana ni? Susahnya. Okay, and the fraction, the student will start confused. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, this one 32. We change to the base 2. Okay, the number on top must be same with the number on top. Okay, 32 we change to the base 2. 3, 1 to 5 we change to base 5. So we do one by one. We do 32 change to the base 2. Okay, so we do the same method. 32 is the number. We change to the base 2. So we do like this, base 2. Okay, so after that, uh, you do same method. 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, until you get 1 and then you need to stop. Okay, and then we do this 3,125 to the base 5. Okay, so do the same method. 3, 1 to 5 is inside because it's a number. We change to base 2. Base, put outside. Base 5. Okay, so 3, 1 to 5 divided by 5 is 6 to 5. 6 to 5, you divide by 5 again. You need to divide until you get 1, okay? You get 1 to 5. 1 to 5 divided by 5 is 25. And then divide by 5 again is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, now you got it. Okay, so the base is 2. Okay. The base is 2 over 5. Ah, 2 to the power of what? So you need to count. How many two here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 2 to the power of 5. And then 5 to the power of what? You need to count. How many 5 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, to the power of 5 also. Okay, so 5, oh sorry. Hmm. Okay, 5. Okay, this means the answer 2 to the power of 5 over 5 to the power of 5. Okay, can you see that the index is the same, 5 and 5, okay? And then, because it is the same, so you can write down like this, 2 over 5, and then you open bracket and close bracket, and then you put the power of 5 at the outside of the bracket. Okay, so this is the answer. Alright, if the fraction you do like this, okay? The top number you change to the base of this top number also. 32 change to base 2. 3, 1 to 5 at the bottom right number. You change to the 5 because it's at the bottom number. Alright, good. Good, Sarah. Sarah, Sarah get the correct answer, okay? Okay, so Okay, class. This one is actually the same thing, okay, but different type of question. Okay, different ways the question can ask you. Okay, find the value of y the following 1 to 8. We do this one first. 1 to 8 equal to the power of y. They want to find what is the value of y. So how? So what you need to do, you need to change 1 to 8 to the base 2, just like now. Okay. So you do this method, same method. The number is 1 to 8. You need to change your base 2, base put outside. Like this. Okay, so 1 to 8 divided by 2. 1, 1 to 8 divided by 2 is 64. 64 divided by 2 is 32. 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. Okay, it's long. Okay, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Until you get 1, you stop. Okay, so that means the answer is base is 2 to the power of what? You need to count. How many 2 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 to the power of 7. Like this. Okay, so the question asks, what is the value of y? What is the value of y? This one is a y. Y is the index. So you need to answer the question. So y is equal to 7. Okay, like that. Okay, can you try to help me to answer this question B? What is the answer? What is the value of y? Try to do it. Okay, 216, you need to convert to the basics. Give me your answer. Put inside the chat. Okay, if you got any problem, you can turn on the mic. Okay, Lydia say y is 3. Calvin also say 3. Okay, other people? Okay, other answer? Okay, Ryan say 3. Okay, good. Australia say y is 3. Okay, we check whether it's true or not. Okay, so 216 is inside because this one is a base. Base is outside. And then we divide it. 216 divided by 6 is 36. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Okay, you got 1, you stop. Okay, and then this one is a base. How many? 6 is 3. 3 will become the index. So the answer is y is equal to 3. Okay, very good, everybody. Okay, this one is actually in your textbook. Okay, page 5, which if you will get your textbook today. Okay, for now, I want you to screenshot because this one will be your homework for today. Okay, your homework. Uh, your homework for today. Okay, write each the following number in the for using the stated base in bracket. Okay, you need to convert this number to the base that in the bracket. This one. Okay. Okay, just do the same method. Okay, so what you need to do is inside your book, your writing book, or if you don't have your writing book, write in the paper first. Okay, later you get the writing book, you stick it inside. Okay, so You write down the date today. Today is a Monday. Today is Tuesday, 22 of March, 2022. Put the title, index notation, okay, and then write down mind test 1.1b and then answer this question. Okay, now you don't have your textbook, you screenshot first. Okay, and then how to submit this homework is inside the Google Classroom. Later I will give you the link of Google Classroom. After you answer, you take the picture, you scan it, and then you upload it in the Google Classroom. Okay. Any question? Is it okay for you? Do you have a MOE email? Okay. Okay, wait. I want to do you some quiz. So hopefully you already screenshot this one. Okay. Okay, this one, last one. I want you to do some quiz. Okay, I will put the link in the chat. Okay. Do in maths one. Yes, betul Lydia. Do in maths one. Okay. Okay, now it's quiz time. Okay, I already put the link in chat. In the chat, you just click it and then we will do this quiz. Okay, cepat masuk. Hmm. Okay, now already 2%, 3% inside. Okay, cepat-cepat supaya kita boleh start and end this class. Okay, 9%. Okay, good. Okay, cepat masuk. Okay, we do a simple quiz only. Okay, 11 people already inside. Okay, some more. Okay. Okay, 16 people. 16 students. Okay, some more. I think it's more than 16 now. Okay. Okay, 16 only want to play. Where's the others? Okay, 17. Okay, I found until 10 and then the one. I will start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I will start the quiz. Okay, you can answer the question. Okay, for now is Lydia is on top with the Kelvin. Okay, Lydia still on top and followed by Pausalia and then Kelvin. Oh, Kelvin go to number 2 and then Sarah go to number 3. Lydia still number 1. Somebody want to challenge Lydia? Okay, Sarah is number 1 already together with Lydia. Okay. Okay. Now if Kelvin is number 1, And then Sarah go up number one, and then Calvin go number one again. Okay, come on. Okay, Savinish go to number three. Okay. Oh, Ryan. Ryan. Okay, Ethan. Okay, Calvin is on top. The number one, followed by Ethan and Irene. Oh, Ethan is now number one, followed by Calvin and Sarah. Okay, come on. Yang lain. Beat your friend. Navinesh, why you don't start yet? Navinesh. Okay, I will stop the quiz. Okay, so still someone to play. Okay, we give some time to them. Okay, okay, I will end this. Okay, so number one is oh, okay. Sekejap ya. Okay, 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 I will end the session. Yes. So number one is the first place is Ethan. Number two is Kathleen, and number three is Calvin. Wow. Okay. Tanya, congratulations. Okay, Ethan number one, Kathleen is number two, and Calvin is number three. Okay, yang lain-lain is very good because you already join the quiz. Okay, okay, so that you know what you understand for today. Okay, so I will give you the attendance week one for today. Okay, just click the Google form and the link and then put your full name and also your class for today. Okay, if you don't have anything, you can leave the class. Okay, don't forget to put your oh tak boleh eh. Oh sorry. Um, sekejap ya, cikgu tertutup. Untuk semalam cikgu lupa nak buka. Mana? Sekejap ya, wait for a little while. Don't leave the Google Meet yet. Okay, I open already. Okay, try to click it and then write down your full name and also your class. Okay, it should be okay because I already accept the response. Okay, if you already uh, fill the form, you can leave the class. Okay, thank you for today. Okay, we will see you for next class. Bila saya akan lupa. Okay, we will see you next class and I hope all the students will come and join, okay? Thank you for today and don't forget to take your textbook today, okay? And don't forget to do your homework and submit the homework. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Okay, you're welcome, everybody.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome, Ryan.